baseball cap.
Yes, that's a really cute hat.
Thank you.
How's your son doing?
Oh, doing okay.
I remember he said he hurt his back. He had back surgery.
Yeah, he had back surgery.
See, I remember.
And he's doing pretty good.
Yep, and he works on buses.
Yes.
See?
Well, the county vehicles.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
You have a great one.
You too, bye.
Bye. Come on back and see me again.
I will. You're awesome.
Bye-bye.
See, when you remember people and things that they go through, that brightens up their day. So we always want to remember to think about others before we think about ourselves. I try to do that all the time. And when you do that all the time, God blesses you in so many different ways. So it's important that when you teach someone or show someone something, there's a lesson or a moral behind it. And I always try to keep that in perspective when I teach someone how to drive or go through a life lesson, because early on my parents taught me that. And then this helped make me the man that I am today, to help people learn how to drive, get over anxiety, and just being patient and thankful and humble. I think she's like 80 years old, and she mentioned that story to me when her son had back surgery. He couldn't walk. And then I remembered that, and you saw her face light up. Plus her hat is really cool. So those small things mean a lot to people. And then we're all, you know, human, and we all want to remember things like that. So I'm just going to let up my window and just think about, you know, what you need to do to make a significant difference in someone's life. It could be just saying hello, hey, how are you? Or how are you feeling? So I took a moment to put her first instead of being selfish and just thinking of myself. And it feels good to do that because I got a good smile from her, and that made me think, and I'm appreciative and humble. So yeah, remember those things. I'm going to move forward, try not to hit this pole, and just take my time. Okay. The weather is definitely cold, and we just want to stay relaxed, and the car's getting warmed up, and we're supposed to have a really bad snowstorm over the next day or two, so we got to prepare for it. Our car's past half, our tires are about 79 to 82%, so we're ready for the weather. Car's reliable. Oh, train. The train always has the right of way, so you got to remember that, and you cannot beat the train. And when you hear that sound, you got to simmer down and relax, particularly for bus drivers.